Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you there with me once again, and for this video I just wanted to film like a quick makeup tutorial on this eye makeup. I mostly use like very light dusty pinks, which is perfect for spring, even just for an everyday makeup look. And I just like because this soft pink is so feminine with this rosy lip. I also have like a more neutral nude option. So for today's look I worked with only the Nude Light palette from Huda Beauty. You have 9 beautiful shades and is a wash of pinks, and you have first like very pinky colder shades just right here between pink and mauvey, which is really great if you have pink undertones in your skin, and this other half of the palette which is warmer. And you have this very neutral right at the center, which is the pivot between the two sides of the palette. So I just like how cohesive and how it's pink themed. And when you go to Sephora, I think that Huda Beauty is definitely the master of pink colors. And so with no further ado, let's get into that tutorial. First and foremost, we are going to apply a light pink on the mobile lid, and for that I'm going to use a white flat brush like this one, which is perfect to suit the mobile lid. I dig into that light pink with my big flat brush. I apply it on my mobile lid. I just press the color in. Can you see that wash of color? I love that pink. And I apply it just really generously on all the lid. Yes. And I even start to go into the socket of my lid. Just to open the eye more with the light shade. So you can see that even if you have dark skin, you can completely wear a wash of light pink. Then I go with a round brush like this one. I just take the same shadow, I coat the brush well, and I'm going to apply it with round motion into the crease. It's going to work like my transition shade with future colors. So we're done with this soft pink. Then we are digging the crease a little bit more, and I'm going to use this shade here. It's like this very nude peachy pink color. It's pink enough, but it's warm also for the brown skins. And I take it with a round brush like this one. Tap the excess, and then I still go into the socket of my lid, and I really concentrate the color in the outer part, and I bring it into the eye. So what I like about it is that the warmth, the orange tones in this shadow are going to balance the pink of the previous eyeshadow, so it's more gentle for my golden yellow skin undertones. And we are getting even deeper with this brown shade right here. It's the darkest shade of the palette and it's perfect to smoke everything out. So I take a brush like this, which has a pretty dense tip. I dig into the shadow right here. I tap the excess. And then we really, whoa, can you see this? It's so pigmented. I gotta slow it down a little bit. Ooh, it's so intense. I was not expecting that, I swear. I'm trying to soften the color right now. Just softening the color. Yes. I take the same shadow here. Tap the excess, and then I get into the crease here, and here it's better, it's softer, you see, it blends way more into the pinks. Yes, I just like it. It just adds a little bit of shadow and depth to your crease, redefining it. So I take a fluffier brush to really soften the color because it's really harsh right now, and I really get into it. Yes, like that. Then I take a flat little brush like this one, and I'm going to apply the white here, this white shadow, which is really neutral and suits any skin undertone. And I'm just applying it on my brow bone to lift the arch. And I will also apply the same color with a pencil brush for precision, and I apply the color just in the inner corner, just on the corner here, and it slightly brightens and opens the eye. It's a really soft halo. I bring it to the outside. And then just the same shadows that I applied on my upper lid, I will apply them on my lower lash. So I'm taking the light pink and I dust it over the lash line. I take the peachy pinky shade. I focus it on the outer corner. And last but not least, I'm taking this brown shadow with this flat brush. I insist in the outer corner, okay, on the lower lash. That is to add depth and sultriness to your look. Through all that wash of color, even if they are really soft and gentle and pastel-y, I still prefer to add some eyeliner to my lash line so my eyes pops more through the shadows and my look is just more polished and defined. So the same brown that I used, I'm going to take this eyeliner brush and coat the tip like this, and then I stay really close to the lash line. I don't do any cat eye or anything like that. I just follow the natural line. See, it's really supple and I like it. Start from the outside, where you concentrate most of the matte for a maximum of definition, and then bring it to the inside. And basically I stop at the beginning of my pupil. If you feel like you need any touch-up, just go on. I'm gonna try with the finger. So now we're done with the eyeshadow and we'll keep on moving with the mascara. I just got a new Roller Lash mascara from Benefits. Do you see how beautifully it works on your lashes? It does literally wonders. If we finish our face, I want to add a little bit of blush, and for this I'm going to use this light pink here with a blush brush, angled perfect to hug your cheeks, and we go like this. We test it really lightly on the cheeks. Really go with a light hand, because you don't want to overload the color. And finally we gotta apply some lipstick to tie up the look. And personally lately I've been loving the Natasha Denona formula. The packaging looks like that. It's very simple, minimalist, and it's kind of chunky, but I like it. And I have it in the shade 12NB Michelle. Looks like that. This nude is pretty neutral, so that the eyes really carry all the pink color. So once again, it really balances the pink shades on the eye. And what I like about that formula, it's really opaque, but at the same time it seems like a very breathable formula. My second lip option is this liquid matte lipstick from Sephora in the shade English Rose. And as you can see, it's really like a dark mauvey pinky shade. The color is a little bit more sustained than the pinks on the eye. I just love this combo for having tested it. Yes. Plus, I like the scent of Sephora's matte liquid lipstick. Yummy. So that's my taste on that second look. The look is complete. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. It was really meant to be beginner friendly. I don't have crazy eyeshadow technique. Once again, it's a very wearable daytime look, which is made of only mattes. I just love like a soft matte pink makeup look. So yes, if you like this video, don't forget to thumb it up and to subscribe to my channel, hitting the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.